Galaxy Note 9 is beating the Galaxy S9 in more ways than one. Samsung's Note 9 is not only beating the Galaxy S9 in terms of battery life, RAM, and internal storage, but also another vital area. Samsung announced the Galaxy Note 9 at the start of the month. The new phablet features a whopping 4,000 mAh battery, up to 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage on the most expensive model. This trumps the South Korean tech giant's Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus that came packing smaller batteries, less internal storage and not as much RAM. But it appears the Galaxy Note 9 is also beating the S9 and S9 Plus in a vital area that will surely please Samsung. Ahead of its highly anticipated release, the Galaxy Note 9 appears to be bettering the S9 in terms of pre-order numbers. According to the investor, that cited a source from a mobile carrier, the Note 9 could be seeing up to 50% more orders ahead of launch than the S9. The source said, the number of pre-orders for the Galaxy Note 9 is roughly 30 to 50% higher than the Galaxy S9. The data reflects the Galaxy S9's pre-order figures in the run-up to its respective launch. Most notably, the source did not clarify whether the numbers were referring to the smaller S9 alone or including its bigger brother. However, the insider admitted the Note 9 was not doing as well as the Note 8 ahead of its release. They insisted the Note 9 is witnessing 80% of pre-orders compared to its predecessor. The Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus launched back in March and touted a revamped camera system and a better internal processor. But since its debut, the flagship has seen slow sales, according to Samsung. In a recent report detailing its second quarter results, the tech firm declared, amid the stagnant high-end smartphone market, the IT and mobile communications division reported a drop in earnings, both year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter, over slow sales of the Galaxy S9. The network business, however, achieved solid growth led by investments in LTE networks by key global customers. Back in July, it was confirmed the S9 and S9 Plus were failing to keep pace with the S8 and S8 Plus during their respective first months on the market. Analysts spoke with Reuters at the time and blamed the hardware's lack of technological wizardry for the soft sales. Although Express.co.uk loved the Galaxy S9, labeling it the best Galaxy ever, we ultimately admitted the hardware was more concerned with being iterative than pushing smartphone boundaries forward. The Note 9 is launching this week and hopes to continue its promising sales by wowing Samsung fans with its colossal screen, huge amounts of internal storage and battery capable of delivering a day of usage. Two versions of the phablet will be sold. One will come with 128 GB of internal storage and 6 GB of RAM, while the other will tout 512 GB and 8 GB of RAM. The former will be sold for £899 while the latter will retail for £1,099.